Okay, so we got a door off of a International Harvester tractor, like I guess an 86 series. And the bottom of the door is all rotted out. Around by the latch it's a little bit rotted. Then I want it patched up kind of half-assed. Just don't want the holes in it. Probably don't really care how it comes out. We're going to paint it. It's a farm tractor. It's not really a big deal. So we got to take this apart a little bit though. Got some of the interior crap in it. Because unfortunately our latch is rotten above and below. So we'll have to get that latch out of there and, I don't know, screw around. Okay, we got the latch out of the door, the interior panel off, and all that crap. And then of course, this is in here with some elaborate die stamp friggin' thing here. Got the corners rolled over, and then this piece goes in there somehow and holds the latch, I guess. I don't know. We'll figure it out as we go. Or maybe we'll have to buy the guy a new door. I don't know. Okay, we got the panel all cut out of there and all the remnants cleaned off the edges. We measured up the panel before we took it apart. There's the junk panel. There's a new panel. We just got to make sure we got our door latch one side's wider than the other. It's going the right way. So now we got to burn the parts out. Well, we can draw the parts up, burn them out, tack them on there, see if we weld it up. I don't really know how to do this seam for sure. We'll just wing it like. Okay. We got our patch panel made up. Hopefully it's going to replace this one. We got some edges where we can wrap them around, because these were wrapped around here. And actually the panel kind of sits off from the door frame a little bit. So we got 1 inch of wrap and then like a 1/2 inch at the top, so we can maybe flange the panel. I don't know if we need to do that, but we'll have enough room to do that if we need to. Or we'll trim it off and just butt weld it. I don't know what we're going to do. I'm not a body man. I'm not much of anything. So let's see what happens next. Okay, we got our panel all kind of formed up here. Got the sides bent. We got a little wavy down this side. I don't know what I was doing to start with, and I hoogered that up a little bit, but hey. This is actually Ram Charger's project, so we'll just blame it on him in the end. But it fits up pretty nice. Let's get it tacked in there and spot it across there, I guess. Got to put some holes in here to spot weld it to the frame. We're gonna go have some lunch. Okay, we've got the door all welded up, primed up. It's a little wavy, but hey, it don't have holes in it, so I don't know what you want from us. Probably would have turned out a little bit better if we didn't use 16 gauge material. It's probably a little heavy for body panels, but it's a farm tractor, it needs to be tough. But as you can see, there's some warp in there. Weld line ain't quite straight. But hey, it is what it is. We're far from professionals. We're far from anything. Okay, we got the other door. We did screw up bad enough on the first one. They let us screw this one up too. This one's not quite as bad. Well, we don't think it is. It's bad, but it's better. But bad, not better. Because this bottom part is rusted out bad. Where the other door, that was nice. So, but I won't take as big a piece. Just don't know where to seam it. I'm thinking we should seam it there where the decal would hide the weld. But maybe we should do it up here and make them look screwed up equally.
I'm glad I'm back too. I'm glad it wasn't one of the one day.
I don't know. We'll clean it up a little bit and see what we got. Got to cut the bad shit out up here anyhow. So we'll at least cut it up to here and see. Okay, we got all the bad shit cut out of there. Cut up to the first stripe, or the bottom of the first stripe, or bottom of the stripe. And then we cut all the rod out of here, so we got to make a little panel to go in there, I guess. I don't know if we're going to make a U-shaped thing, or I don't know. I have to think about that in the morning. I want to make sure I kind of keep them edges so I know where the bottom of the door really is supposed to be. So I don't know. Scary. Wish I had that other door. Okay. There's a piece welded in there. We cut the piece, formed the piece, and welded the piece in there with no video documentation. But it's pretty much what it was. Cut it, form it, weld it in there, no big deal. Okay, so we got the other door all finished up. Ship that out. See what that's worth. Can't be worth much. Don't really think they're too good a job. See a big old hump there with that one. Where we warped the panel there. I don't know if you can see it or not. But they don't have holes, but they have other problems now.